My name is Kent LeMarie. I'm an emergency department physician. I've practiced in Southern California for over 40 years. I initially came here with the Navy and never left. I'm also very physically active and played competitive sports and basketball as recently as up to 5 years ago, until I started to have back problems. I've had intermittent back pain for probably 6 or 7 years, and in the year before surgery, it became constant. I then, approximately 2 months before surgery, developed some weakness in my leg and some loss of sensation and started to limp. You don't have to go to medical school to know that's a bad sign. I knew that I probably needed surgery, and I knew I needed it promptly. I didn't have time to shop around for spine surgeons or neurosurgeons. So my decision was to ask other physicians who work in the operating room with some of these capable surgeons who they would recommend. And I was advised to see Dr. Ghosh. In fact, I was told that if you need instrumentation, that is screws and rods, you need Dr. Ghosh. I called Dr. Ghosh's office and he agreed to see me within 1 or 2 days. On arrival, I immediately sensed that I was probably going to be in good hands. He examined me, reviewed my x-rays and MRI, and confirmed that I was out of options. I needed surgery and I needed it soon. I also learned that he had done this procedure over 450 times. That gave me great confidence. We discussed the procedure, which is a laminectomy and spinal fusion, and was done in a micro or minimally invasive approach, and promptly scheduled the surgery within the next week. I arrived at the hospital on the day of surgery. I was a bit apprehensive, but comfortable that I was doing the right thing. The surgical procedure is nothing I can remember. However, I do remember getting up the following day and walking, and I stayed in the hospital for 5 days, continued to improve. The pain subsided after approximately 2 days, and then I was able to go home, and I've continued to get better ever since. My recovery phase has been wonderful. Actually, I expected it to take 3 to 4 months to get where I was at 3 to 4 weeks. I'm now at 6 weeks and feel that I can do almost anything. I would describe Dr. Ghosh as competent, compassionate, and I would say he exceeded all of my expectations. He's what I would call a doctor's doctor.